how to use your desktop Annotate with your Active Inspire on your board and have the most real estate as far as how much space you can have to write on if you're pulling up like a Word doc or something. So I'm going to first open my Active Inspire and show you where I like to hang on to my doc at. It's going to take just a moment. So right here, I have my doc. If you click on this little guy right here, you'll notice that it has doc right and doc left. If I go doc left over here, it's going to move over. If I go doc bottom, it's going to put it on the bottom. Now what I've noticed with doc top and doc bottom is it on your board sometimes will hide because of the way it mirrors. So you want to be, if you notice that happening, my suggestion is to have your doc floating, because then I can move it wherever I want it to be. And I typically put it on the right hand side here because I'm right-handed. Now this little guy is your desktop Annotate button. So that means I can pull whatever's setting on my desktop and I can write on it. So I want to create something. I want to have something to write on. Well, I have this little sheet. A lot of you have it in a Word doc, whatever you're used to using. Now, I'm going to have that sheet there, and I'm going to go back. Well, I'll make sure it's open. So I just go back to my Inspire, which is down here because I have it open, and I'm going to click on Desktop Annotate. Now, some of you are going to notice I've already maximized this screen, but some of you are going to notice that this screen is maybe smaller. So let me show you what that might look like. So it may be something like that. If that's the case and you're like, I want all of this real estate used right here, and watch what happens if I maximize it completely. It completely hides your desktop Annotate bar. There's a trick. So I'm going to bring it back using the green button, and then Creed showed me this trick. If I pull him all the way over, now notice this guy stays on top, so I can use him just like I had in the past. So again, the trick is if you do this little guy, you maximize, you click green once, he lays on top. If I click him and then I pull in with my arrows right here, I'm just using my mouse to pull it in, I can make that guy as big or little as I want, and then I don't lose this bar. So that's an easy way to make sure you have all of the real estate space that you want if you're using this desktop Annotate. So when I want to go back to my flip chart, I just go here, and when I want to go back, I'm going to hit it again, and now I can write on my board or wherever, on my paper, I can annotate and be done. So that is how to use Desktop Annotate in the most user-friendly way with your Mac. So thanks, and let me know if you have questions.